how's it going? This is AK Detailing with a brand new video. So I haven't posted a video in a very long time, but I decided to post an unboxing video. I did another unboxing video before, but I didn't really like how I did that one, so we're gonna redo that one on a different machine. So we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing video on this new machine I just bought. So I haven't posted for a while due to laziness, and my wife's been pregnant, and then I was gonna post a new video a while back, but my daughter's finally here and she came out really healthy. I'm outside, we have kids playing in the pool and all that, so that doesn't really matter, you know. Let them play in the pool and have fun, and you know, you're gonna hear them in the video, but it's all right. You know, it's summer, let's all have a good time. Kids are playing and yelling their heads off, but it's all right. So I decided just to do the video right now. Why not just open it up already? I've been having this box to see around for like 2 months already, and I still haven't unboxed it, but let's go ahead and unbox it. And the van is still gonna be remodeled. These are just machines that I purchased ahead of time, so I have everything that I need to for new equipment to replace the old equipment. But I still gonna have to buy the stuff I need to buy for the van. That's gonna be covering the windows, and there's gonna be on the back like panels and all that for the machinery. And I already got the hose reels and everything. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it is. Right, like I said, I ordered this like 2 months ago, so hopefully it wasn't damaged, because they're gonna be like, "Well, you're ready, I'm unboxing it right now." So yeah. Say first of all, this is the new Extractor that's replacing my old Extractor, my Aqua Pro Vac. Aqua Pro Vac is a great machine if you're barely starting off, and probably if you're going for a while still, it's still a great machine. I highly recommend it. The only problem is you have to unload it from your vehicle to use it, but it ain't a really big problem. This machine, you know, it's gonna help be better, but it is gonna have its pros and cons. So let's go ahead and show the hose of the machine. This is the hose of the machine. I have other hoses that are gonna be connected to the machine to make it even longer. So I did come prepared, so this ain't, I know this ain't 25 feet. Hose of the machine. And the machine, it is a Mytee. Okay, next we have the wand. This wand, I've been seeing people using this wand, and the only problem I have that I think the Aqua Pro Vac has that I really like is where it stops the water from spraying outwards. And I've been seeing the reviews on this one, and the water spreads outwards and wets on the side. Probably not a big difference due to you know, what you prefer. But for me, the Aqua Pro Vac was excellent. The water would just stay in a certain area and going down, you know. I have used this machine already before. I ordered it from a different company, and let me tell you, I'll tell you more after I show you what machine I bought that, and the reasons why I had to return that machine. And then this comes with stuff to wrap the hose, so it won't be flopping everywhere and all that. So we wrap the hose so your hose won't get ripped, because you do have separate hoses at the end. All right, so next we have the machine. Let's go ahead and I think I just pull this off, not too sure. Okay, I just pull it off. Wife wants to help me, but part of the video. All right, so this is the machine. Right here we have the HP60 Spider. This machine, I got it for around a little over 1,700. I did look at other machines, and then hopefully I made the right choice. I'm not gonna give the specs and all that, but I'm just showing you what comes with the machine and what's the future of my business. That I don't like calling it my business, because I have a lot of people that, you know, they help me out and they are a big part of my journey of detailing, as my wife, my parents, and you know what, it's our business, and let's just say hopefully I made a good choice on this machine. So right here we have where you put the clean water. And then right here is where the dirty water comes through. So you'll get the dirty water coming through, and then to dump it out, we have the release. So you just lift that up, put it down to close it. And right here we have the on and off switches for the heat of the water. We have the pump, and we have the extraction of the vacuum. So let's go around and look at it. Sorry about the noise in the back, but like I said, it's summertime, so I'm not gonna have the kids be too quiet. You know, the kids are gonna be kids. So like I said, I did purchase a machine from another company before, and let me tell you, I did have a hassle in the beginning with this machine. Not this exact one, but the same kind, but from a different company, obviously. I purchased it from Magic Wand, and then let me tell you, I did feel, you know, a certain way when they sent me out, when they sent me the machine. I first opened it, and the package seemed a little tore up due to like if it was open, it wasn't stapled as this one and taped up, you know, nicely. And you know, this one doesn't look like it was tampered with. Like once it was stapled and it wasn't restapled. And then and the other machine wasn't even stapled, it was just with clear tape wrapped like crazy around. So I was kind of recording a video on that one, opening video, and then and it kind of was sad. I opened it, I took it out, I seen that there was water on the machine, and there was water inside of the clean water and the dirty water. So I was recording at the time, and I decided to open it up. I seen hairs, I seen dirt, a lot of dirt. And I seen that those they were using you know, a little bit dirty water for the clean water, and then it was kind of disappointing seeing that. So I to make the story short, I contacted them. They said they're gonna handle it. We sent you out a machine. Just send ours back. We'll have yours shipped out tomorrow. I have the emails and all that, and then so I was like, all right. So I finally received the return label, so I ended up going to return it. And then I was like, hey, you know, like it's been already 2 weeks, I haven't received my machine that you guys promised. And then they're finding out they never sent the machine out. So I was like, hey, you know, like, you guys got your machine, you know, where's my machine? So I'm really disappointed. They promised a lot of things, and then they told me that, well, my boss said to send out the display. So they said they sent me out a display. So I brought a new machine thinking it was a whole new machine, and ended up getting a display machine, which I really think that's disrespectful. If you're gonna be making business, you know, and selling people a product and paying full price for a brand new one, they expect to get a brand new one. Be careful, you know, where you get your stuff from, and always check your stuff, and never let it slide and say, oh, it's fine, you know. This one will last, because once it breaks down, you know, that machine's probably been run for a year. You never know, you know, like, hey, you know, like, why would you do that? You know, I purchased a brand new machine, so I was really disappointed in that. So Magic Wand, I suggest, you know, you guys fix what you guys going on, because it's not right. You guys are sending out used machines like that, and I have whatever they need. If they want to, you know, say I'm lying, I got emails and all that, you know, say what happened and all that. So don't try to rip off people for their money. So I contacted the Detailing Kings. They treat me right. They sent me this machine, like you see, and they were really fast about it. So it took me around 2 months to open it. I knew it was gonna be a brand new machine. The box wasn't damaged and all that, so I trust that it was a brand new machine. So thank you, Detailing Kings, for sending me a machine that I paid for. And yeah, so this is a new machine I'll be using for the business. I understand everything has their pros and cons. You know what, I want to try this machine out, and I do believe it's gonna be a good machine. And you know, I have stuff to make it longer reach and all that, so I don't have to be pulling it out of the van. So that's basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do have a family channel I'm gonna end up making really soon, probably when this video is up. That video is gonna be up already on the channel. Hopefully it's gonna be put the link in the description below. It's gonna be our family channel, me and my wife, and of us doing like other things, as in trips and what we have on day-to-day basis. This is AK Detailing, and we're out.
Oh, you have to put in.
Oh my gosh, I got bit so bad. I was just feeling them coming on me.
Me too. On my back.